with the month of March coming in, ushering in the third month, we can expect for the projects to keep pouring in. And one of the ones that I wanted to check out today is DOXXED Drip Society. All right, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this NFT project to kind of teach more about NFT projects, and if anything else, I'm gonna go over it and see if this is something we can maybe see ourselves invest into in the future. All right, so welcome to DOXXED Drip Society. DADS, we're gonna call it DADS for short, is a collection of dope ape NFTs, unique digital collectibles, all residing on the Ethereum blockchain. Your dope ape will serve as your official membership into the Drippy Wood community and use of special members only benefits, right? Join DADS in our journey to create an amazing community passionate about being the flyest apes in the metaverse. All right, now, a lot of the times you see the title, oh, is this project the next Bored Ape Yacht Club, or is this the next big project? So what this looks like off the top, just by reading this, is a utility NFT, right? The perk and the value in this Drippy Wood community is what they're calling it, can provide. So we're gonna read on further. So far, as a graphic designer, I'm gonna tell y'all this, bro. I really like this artwork. This is top notch. This is really good artwork. So honestly, I like the drip. I like the whole streetwear type theme that they got going on. The jewelry, you know, the buffs. I like this project so far, and I can see a lot of people getting into this. But let's talk about the drip for a little bit. Each of our dope apes are 100% unique and randomly generated from over 180 possible variations of drip. All apes will derive and take inspiration from luxury brands and streetwear culture. Okay, there we go. In our attempt to make the flyest looking apes in the metaverse. The different traits from which your ape can be generated from will include head, ears, eyes, fur, mouth, chain clothes, and backgrounds. These apes will be stored as ERC-721 tokens on the Ethereum blockchain. Holding an ape will gain you membership into the Drippy Wood community. So the fact that these are being stored as ERC-721 tokens pretty much lets us know that these are official. These are not just, regularly minted on the blockchain. Like, these are solidified, right? So let's go ahead and talk about the Drippy Wood community, right? So this is one of the perks you get: ownership rights, ownership and commercial rights given to the consumers over their NFT. That's kind of similar to the Bored Ape Yacht Club. That's kind of similar to their whole roadmap. And then giveaways, monthly drip giveaways to members from their favorite luxury streetwear brands, right? That's pretty dope. That's something that all my people that are interested in streetwear, in clothes, if you're just interested in that for that reason, that's probably going to be worth it for you to get one of these NFTs, right? Drip Box, monthly merch subscription box of 3 to 4 high quality items from our streetwear brand. So not only are there going to be sort of giveaways from other luxury streetwear brands, they actually have their own streetwear brand in which, you sort of see the subscription box business model come back, right? Then, okay, Drippy token, all right? Whenever you see that $sign in front of a name in the crypto space, it's going to refer to that as a token, right? So token integration in our Drippy Wood universe that will be used to claim anything from drip boxes to future collections, and then purchasing land in 3D avatar creation of our drippy apes for all our holders. Right, now let's talk about the Drip Box. The Drip Box is a merch subscription box that we'll offer to our holders on a monthly basis. Each month we will ship a fresh new batch of merch from our streetwear inspired DADS brand. All right, expect every month to be unique and include new garments and designs for our holders. The box will revolve around 3 to 4 pieces of freshly designed items to make this one of the dopest collection of NFT merch and branding on the market. Pricing will depend on your status in Drippy Wood. The more apes you hold and the longer you hold DADS, the better the price will be available. Also, claiming your drip box will serve as your automatic entry into our monthly drip giveaways from your favorite luxury brands and events. I kind of wish I knew which ones those would be. You will not want to miss this unique utility experience. All right, so here's a project that's kind of got created when it comes to adding utility. Right now, let's talk about the roadmap, the most important part of any NFT project. Creation of community wallet and 15% of royalties into constant development and furthering the DADS brand to continue expansion and success of project long term, right? DADS NFT giveaways will take place throughout the first month after sellout. Also, we will conduct monthly giveaways to all DRIPBOX supporters. Prizes will include items and garments from their favorite luxury brands, as well as tickets, access to the hottest events, all right? Begin token integration in our Drippy at 42%. Begin token integration into our Drippy Wood universe, where Dads holders will gain daily Drippy token that can be used to claim DRIPBOX's 3D avatars and the second collection, all right? Developments and implementation of the DRIPBOX as a monthly merch subscription box as an exclusive perk to all their holders. Purchase land quickly, okay, after sellout in the metaverse, right? So this is in the sandbox, Decentraland. Well, I'll make a video about just virtual land, but begin build out of our Dad's mansion in the metaverse and implement our Dad's metaverse storefront in our brand, as well as 3D development and the creation of all Dad's avatars for all our holders, all right? Heavy marketing push for our Dad's clothing line to create a successful streetwear brand, work on collaborations with established companies and influencers in the fashion industry, right? And then they're gonna drop their second collection to all their Dad's holders, all right? So let's look at the team. You got the co-founder, Lil Drippy, okay? And me, I always look at the team because a lot of the times that'll tell you like if the project has potential, because not every time, but a lot of the times the project should be or usually is centered around whatever strength that the team have, right? So if they're gonna have an animated series, they're gonna have an NFT turn animated series, then it's gonna help to have people like with that experience on the team, all right? But let's go over here and check their Twitter account. Okay, they've got 8,000 subscribers, which is honestly honest, okay? I'm gonna go ahead and follow them. This is something that I am personally gonna look out for, all right? And then let's do a Discord check. Yes, I'm very human. Okay, I know the buzz. Okay, verify. So I like to see that you have to verify so we know that these aren't just bots in this community, all right? And there is activity in this community, so that's always a good thing. So this is definitely a project that I'm gonna keep my eyes on. Let me know what y'all think, Rico gang. Well, let me know if y'all think that this is a project we should keep our eyes out on. Man, we coming back with more NFT education and all that. I love y'all, man. Let's get it.